Hi there. In this month's video blog, we're going to have a brief discussion about the concept of subrogation. Subrogation does not apply to every case, but it does apply to most personal injury cases. We're not going to go into a huge amount of detail here, but we just want to get the concept across in case you're dealing with one of these issues. Subrogation is essentially the idea that someone should not be unjustly enriched by virtue of the outcome of their lawsuit as compared to an insurance company that has paid bills on behalf of that person and did not get repaid. So the way we often explain it to clients is as follows. Let's assume that you get in a car accident, and as a result of that accident you are injured and you seek care and you incur $5,000 in medical care. Now that medical care is probably going to be paid for through your personal injury protection on your own automobile policy. If you do not have personal injury protection or PIP, you should indeed get some, and please look at other places on the site here for the reasons why. Or it could be your health insurance that is paid. In either case, if you then go and collect the actual $5,000 that you were billed for that care from the negligent driver who struck you, you now have received $5,000 of medical care that you didn't pay for out of your pocket because your insurance company paid. You have also received $5,000 representing that medical care. In that instance, that is a double recovery, and you are considered unjustly enriched, and there is a clause in your insurance policy, more likely than not, that is triggered and says under those circumstances you should pay the insurance company back. One good part about having a personal injury attorney is that we will negotiate down the amount you have to recover, and so that usually enhances your settlement by a decent percentage, usually somewhere around 1/3 of the amount that you have to pay back to your insurance company. So having that insurance is both prudent and very helpful in your ultimate settlement with your injury case. Now, compare this to a different scenario where, say, you drive into a telephone pole, it's all your fault, PIP pays your medical bills. You're never going to have to pay PIP back because you never come into a double recovery because the accident was your fault and there's no one who's going to pay those medical bills back to you. Under those circumstances, there is no subrogation. It is only under the limited circumstances that we just talked about. It's an important concept. It applies to many, many cases, and it's a good thing for clients and people involved in these situations to understand. Thanks so much.